Hey everyone, I'm Jenny. We previously published a tutorial on how to create your own ChatGPT, pulling knowledge from your custom knowledge base. A lot of people have tried it out and reached out to us to ask questions. So today I'm going to go over 2 questions that we receive a lot, and hopefully they'll help you out as well as you build your own custom ChatGPT. Question 1 is, we have OpenAI, Pinecone, Estuary Langchain in the solution. How does everything fit together? Here's a diagram that might help. Let's say you have a bunch of PDFs that make up your custom knowledge base. One solution is to put the text in JSON in Google Cloud Storage, and then you can use Estuary Flow's pre-built GCS connector to capture the text from GCS. Estuary's role is to replicate your data from your source, in this case GCS, to your destination, in this case Pinecone. Now, what's the role of OpenAI and Pinecone in this solution? OpenAI's role is to use an embeddings model, for example, Ada, to turn your text from GCS into vector embeddings. From there, Pinecone's role is to store the embeddings. As a vector DB, Pinecone is really efficient in doing that. It allows for fast querying as well as a host of other benefits, which we won't get into in this video. Finally, you'll have an app that is user-facing. Everything we talked about so far is kind of working in the back end. Your app will leverage an LLM for querying your Pinecone database. And then you can use a framework such as Langchain for Q&A, comparisons, summarization, etc. So this is a summary of how all the different pieces fit together in the whole picture. Another question we get a lot is, how does Estuary's Pinecone connector know which field to pull from your source to get the text to create embeddings from? Previously, we asked users to include an input field in your source data, and our Pinecone connector will basically take the text from your input field. If you didn't have an input field in your source data, you could use a derivation to get your data into a state where our Pinecone connector can work with. Creating a derivation is useful in many situations. If you want to learn more, you can check out this video here. But for the Pinecone connector, this requirement has changed. We have recently upgraded our Pinecone connector so that it's much easier for you now. You don't need to specify an input column anymore. How it works now is, by default, the connector will include all fields in your source data that are a single scalar type, meaning strings, numbers, or booleans. Just a note, it can be customized using field selection though. Basically, it will include everything in your collection that is a scalar type in the embedding. You can refer to more details in our Pinecone connector documentation here, which I'll also leave in the description box below. So here you go. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your AI journey.